look what I have for us today. Bowman Mega Box. I've actually got 10 of these. I'm going to open 5 in this video and 5 in another because it's probably going to take a while. There are, I don't know, it won't take that long, but I still don't want the video to be too long. So let me pull one of these out because I've actually got 6 sitting here. So we're going to do 5. It's the first time I'm opening these. Super excited. You're not guaranteed anything as far as hits go, but there have been some incredible autographs that have come out of these mega boxes. I've seen them on Instagram and they have just been incredibly sweet looking. Some of the top rookies. I would love to pull something like that out of one of these. But even if I don't, every box has 2 5-card chrome packs, so I could still get some of the top rookies in those exclusive chrome cards. So sorry, I had to get a sip of my drink. It's so hot in here today. So yeah, there still could be some good stuff come out of this, autograph or not, but I'm hoping with 10 boxes that there will be an autograph, a good autograph. Actually, I'll be lucky to get any autograph, but I'm trying to be positive here and hoping for a really good one. I kind of just overlooked these when this came out. I don't know why. I guess I just didn't see them at the store, and people weren't making as big a deal this time. Last year, you know, these had Ohtani in them and people were going just freaking bonkers trying to get these boxes. And this year it wasn't quite as crazy. Alright, so these are the 2 exclusive packs and we're going to open the regular packs first. Alright, here we go. Mega Box numero uno. Lindor, Mookie, Albies, Baruki, a Chrome, Garcia, Chrome, Contreras, I see Jimenez on the back, Chance Adams, Justice Sheffield, Chrome, Cabrera, Chrome, Spanberger, and there is Eloy. Making a mess. Chrome, Genesis Cabrera, there's Nolan Gorman, Will Smith Chrome, Royce Lewis. People are still digging. Alright, last regular pack. Chris Bryant, Mancini, Bryce Wilson, Chrome, Martinez, Chrome, Austin Beck, Nick Senzel. Alright, that's it for the regular packs there. Let's check out our special goodie packs. Oh, these look good. I love these. Mitch Keller, Bo Bichette, very nice. Ready for the Show, Will Smith, another Bo Bichette, and Wander Franco. Not a bad first exclusive pack at all. 2 Bo Bichettes, I'll take that. And this one looking good too. Starting off with Wander Franco. Richardson, Justice Sheffield, Rookie of the Year favorites. Richardson again, and Jimenez. Very nice. Just what I wanted to see. Thank you very much, Tops. Appreciate you. Alright, next up. So, I guess I shouldn't speak unless I actually know. But I think the autographs are mainly or only found in the exclusive packs. I don't know if I don't think the regular packs in here are hobby packs. I don't know. Somebody comment below and let me know. Is that correct or incorrect? Can you still get autographs in these regular packs? Or are these just basically just to make the box more attractive? Let's see. Let's see if we get any like refractors or anything. Romero and Sanchez are the chromes there. Chris Bryant, Lyon Richardson chrome, and Brenda McKay chrome. Mackenzie Gore. So no refractors or anything different out of these packs yet. Rowdy, Mike Trout, Scooter, Jeter Downs, Burt chrome, Mercer chrome, Gavin Lux. These packs are so thin. I keep just ripping them apart like I'm freaking Hercules. But it's really just that they're so thin. Hader, Noah, Brandon Marsh chrome, Cole Tucker, and Cole Tucker chrome. Lucan Baker, I love that name. Lucan Baker. Go to Lucan Baker, Texas. Alright, our special packs. How special are they? We're about to find out. Come on, open up. Alright. Mauricio, very nice. Very, very nice. Nick Madrigal, very nice. Chris Shaw, Rookie of the Year favorites. Keegan Thompson and Marte. Pretty good. De La Cruz, Singer, ready for the show, Diaz, Ruiz, and Blaze Alexander. Here are some odds that we haven't looked at. Purple 1 in 13, green 1 in 32, gold 1 in 62, orange 1 in 126, black 1 in 3094. The Rookie of the Years are 1 in 2, and those come in color versions. Ready for the show 1 in 4, and those come in color versions. I'm looking for the easiest possible autograph. Are you kidding me? 1 in 1,531? Oh wait, just a regular mega box autograph, 1 in 16. So I'm not guaranteed one with 10 boxes. So that's a little scary. But it is what it is. What it is, what it be, what it do. Alright, moving on. I won't cry about it, but I would like to get maybe something out of the regular packs, maybe a good refractor or something. That would make me feel a little bit loved and appreciated by Topps. Alright, here we go. A Brandon Marsh chrome, Cole Tucker chrome. That looked like the last regular pack I opened. Almost exactly. There's Ohtani. And Gavin Lux chrome. De La Cruz chrome. Still nothing out of these regular packs. Albies, Florial, Sigler chrome, Casey Mize chrome. But again, I'm not 100% sure that I can even pull anything out of these packs. These could all be base cards for all I know. Adams, Sheffield, lots of rookies in here. Corey Ray chrome, Jordan Adams chrome, Robert. Alright, special pack time, special pack time. And I'm struggling to open these. Alright. Darian Cruz, Alec Baum, Tatis ready for the show. Sweet. Alec again, and Luzardo. Luzardo comes again. Logan Allen. Urias, Rookie of the Year favorites. Logan Allen and Ryan Mountcastle. So those were probably the least. Oh, knocking the camera all over. Showing you my goodies over here sitting on the side. Actually, I'm still sitting here with boxes I opened 2 weeks ago. So that was absolutely the least favorite of the special exclusive packs. It's alright, but the first two were absolutely the best. Come on, what's in? And I can't get these out. Alright, hang on. Put you back here. Much better. Chrome, Shane Baz, Javier, Chrome, Steel, nothing, no parallel, no insert, no nothing. Chrome, Michael Baez, there's Tatis, DJ Peters, and Joe Adele. Urias, Arcia, Goldie, Justin Dunn, Chrome, Andrew Knight, that guy, Andrew, and our last regular pack. Molina, Hankins Chrome, Robert Chrome, not bad. Alright. Yeah, I'm starting to become more and more convinced that there's nothing really you can do with these regular packs other than build your set with them. Or maybe get lucky enough to get a couple of really good rookies. Alright, fancy packs. I see something. Is it an autograph or just a parallel? We're about to find out. There's Vlad, very nice. Although I wish he was the next card, which is a purple, ready for the show, Alonso. Not bad. People like Alonso. This is numbered out of 250. And another Vlad. And then Santa. This was a good pack. Wow, that was really cool. No autograph, but still, I'll take it. That was fun. Alright. Santana. Ramos. Lasaiga rookie. I don't know, I can't say that. Ramos again, and Darian Cruz. Yeah, that second exclusive pack wasn't nearly as good as the first one, but whatever, that first one was great. Alright, last box of this break. And like I said though, I have 5 more that I'll have for you guys probably tomorrow, I guess. I'll try to make sure I paste these one right after the day, right after the other. I try to mix things up though, so you don't get bored of me opening the same old stuff. Try to spread it out at least a little bit. Alright, let's get through these. Moncada, Win, Chrome, Wentz, Chrome. I really wish they'd get like refractors or something out of these regular packs. It would make these boxes so much better. I mean, like, go all the way. Give us something in all the packs. Romero, I mean, not all the packs, but you know what I mean. Sanchez. Jansen, Wright, Givens, Richardson, Chrome, McKay, Chrome, Gore, last regular pack, as Mickey Abreu, Jeter Downs, Burke Chrome, Mercer Chrome, and that is that. Alright, last two special packs. Will there be an autograph? Autograph. Alright, here we go. Forrest Whitley, Dylan Cease, Josh James, Rookie of the Year favorites, Dylan Cease, More John. More John again, Dane Dunning, and Joey Bart purple. That is numbered out of 250. So that's two purples, Dane Dunning and Nolan Gorman. So ended up with two purples of the fancy packs and several inserts in those packs. So nothing too crazy. 5 boxes to go. Maybe, just maybe, we'll get an autograph. So you'll have to watch that video and stay tuned. Everybody take care. I'm losing my voice, so I'm going to shut up. Bye. Talk to you later. Bye.